welcome back to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, if tan square theta equals 1 minus e squared, prove that sec theta plus tan cube theta times cosec theta equals 2 minus e squared whole raised to the power 3 over 2. And as always, we will approach this problem by breaking it down into manageable pieces. So let's get started without wasting much time. We will write down the identities that we might be able to use in this question. Sec square x minus tan square x is 1. Sec x is 1 over cos x. Cosec x is 1 over sin x. And cot x is 1 over tan x. Given that the left-hand side is sec theta plus tan cube theta times cosec theta. If we take out sec theta common throughout, we can write 1 plus tan cube theta times cosec theta over sec theta. So we have sec theta times 1 plus tan cube theta. And we know that cosec theta is 1 over sin theta. And sec theta is 1 over cos theta. So cosec theta over sec theta will become 1 over sin theta over 1 over cos theta. Simplifying further, we'll get sec theta times 1 plus tan cube theta times cos theta over sin theta, which is cot theta. So we have sec theta times 1 plus tan cube theta times cot theta. And we know that cot theta times tan theta equals 1. So we can cancel out 1 cot theta and 1 tan theta. So we will be left with sec theta times 1 plus tan square theta. And we know that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So we have sec theta times sec square theta, which can be written as sec cube theta. And now sec cube theta can also be written as sec square theta raised to the power 3 over 2. And sec square theta again is 1 plus tan square theta raised to the power 3 over 2. And we are given with the value of tan square. So 1 plus 1 minus e square raised to the power 3 over 2, which is same as 2 minus e square raised to the power 3 over 2. And this is what we wanted to prove. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.